Let's learn our high-frequency words. The word is baby. Let's follow the steps we use to learn new words. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Baby. Baby. I have a baby brother. Say the word again after me. Baby. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it aloud. B-A-B-Y. The letter A stands for the long A sound. The letter Y stands for the long E sound. Blend with me. Baby. Baby. The next word is the word bird. Look at the word and repeat after me. Bird. Bird. A duck is a bird that can fly and swim. Say the word again. Bird. Look at the letters in the word bird. Let's spell it out loud. B-I-R-D. The letters I-R stand for the sound Blend with me. Bird. Bird. Now write the word bird. Try to write it without looking and then check it. Are you ready for the next word? Blue. Repeat after me. Blue. Blue. The sky is blue on sunny days. Say the word again. Blue. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it aloud. B-L-U-E. The letters U-E stand for the long oo sound. Blend with me. B-l-oo. Blue. Now write the word blue. Try to write it without looking and then check it. Are you ready for the next word? Bring. Repeat the word after me. Bring. I will bring an umbrella in case it rains later. Say the word again after me. Bring. Look at the letters in the word and let's spell it aloud. B-R-I-N-G. In this word, the letters N-G stand for the ng sound. Blend with me. B-r-i-ng. Bring. Now write the word bring and try to write it without looking and then check it. The next word is the word fly. Say it and repeat it after me. Fly. Geese fly south for the winter. Or there is a fly in the kitchen. Say the word. Fly. Look at the letters in the word and let's spell it. F-L-Y. The letter Y stands for the long I sound. Blend the word with me. I. Fly. Now write the word fly and try to write it without looking and check it. The next word is the word her. Her. Repeat after me. Her. She hung her drawing on the refrigerator. Say the word again after me. Her. Look at the letters in the word and spell it out loud. H-E-R. In this word, the letters E-R stand for the sound Blend the word with me. Her. Now write the word and try to write it without looking and check it. The next word is the word little. Little. The little boy couldn't reach the high shelf. Say the word after me. Little. Look at the letters in this word and let's spell it. L-I-T-T-L-E. The letters L-E stand for the sound oo. Blend with me. Ooh, it, ooh, little. Now write the word little and try to write it without looking and then check it. The next word is the word place. Repeat after me. Place. The beach is a great place to take a vacation. Say the word again, please. Place. Look at the letters in this word and let's spell it. P-L-A-C-E. The letter C stands for the sound S. The letter E is silent. So blend with me. Place. Place. Now try to write the word place without looking and then check it. Next is the word she. She. Say the word after me. She. The woman said she would let us go first. She. Look at the letters in this word and spell it aloud. S-H-E. The letters S-H stand for the sound sh. The letter E stands for the long E sound, E. So blend with me. Sh-E. She. Now write the word she without looking and then check it. Last word is the word this. This. Repeat the word after me. This. This is the one I want. Say the word again. This. Look at the letters in this word and let's spell it out loud. T-H-I-S. And this word, the letters T-H stand for the sound th. Blend with me. Th-is. This. Now write the word this and try to write it without looking and then check it. Now let's play with the sounds in words. So we are going to write, using a class story, our high frequency words. So we are going to do an activity using our imagination to write a story that's using this week's words. So I'm going to start my story by choosing one of the words. I'm going to choose the word fly. So I'm going to write the first sentence in the word. Max wants to fly. Max wants to fly is a sentence that can begin our story, and I use the word fly. Let's see if we can think of a sentence that tells what happens next in our story and use another word from the list. Max wants to fly. Max is a baby bird. So there I used two words from the high frequency words. I used baby and bird. Max wants to fly. Max is a baby bird. Now you continue writing the story until you've used all the high frequency words. Then go back and reread your story to make sure that it makes sense.